Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a different footer on the Google Docs. As you know, in Google Doc, if you add footer, there will be uh, it will set as the same in all of the pages, but if you want to set a different footer, you can just follow my step here. For example, I'm going to set a different footer on the second page in here. So what you need to do is just put the cursor at the end of the first page, right after the last sentence, just like this. Then you can go to insert and find break and choose the section break. This one. So after you do this, this page, the second page, will be treated as a separate document. So to add a footer, you can just double click on the footer in here, or you can just, okay, this one, for example, sorry. Let's just go to insert and then find the footer. Okay, so in here, let's add a footer. Okay, let's see on the first page. You can see there's no footer in here, but then when you add a new page on the file, let's add a new page in here. The footer will be appear in here, the same with the second page. If you want to set it different, then you can do the same steps. You can go to the last sentence and add the section break first before you add a footnote. So that's all for me. That's how you can set different footers on Google Docs. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.